Equations involving surds. Students, we have a very good question here. Look at it displayed on the screen. Now, let's quickly go to solve the question. Solution. I have 4x plus 1 minus root of x minus 2 is equals to 3. Now, what you need to do is to pick this over to this side. And why do you do this? Is because you want to actually make the question to be more comfortable for you to solve. Okay, uh, let me just look at the next step. You understand what I'm talking about. So this is 4x plus 1 is equals to 3 plus root of x minus 2. Now once you have it this way, then you square both sides. Now, squaring both sides is to reduce the ambiguity of the question, just to make sure you reduce the roots on both sides. Okay. Now, doing this, I'm going to have 4x plus 1. Okay. Root of this, then all squared is equals to 3 plus x minus 2 all squared. Now, what seems to be the case here is that this square will cancel this root. So what I have here is 4x plus 1. Okay. Then is equals to, this is going to be written as 3 plus root of x minus 2 into 3 plus root of x minus 2. Now, on multiplying it, 4x plus 1, I'm going to have 3 times 3, we have 9, plus 3 root of x minus 2 plus another 3 root of x minus 2. Then the last thing here, I'm going to have root of x minus 2 all squared. Okay, I just expanded it. Now let's continue. So this is going to be 4x plus 1 is equals to 9, plus this is going to be 6 root of x minus 2. Then this square will cancel this root, so I have plus x minus 2. This is 4x plus 1 is equals to 9 minus 2 plus x plus 6 root of x minus 2. This is 4x plus 1 is equals to 9 minus 2 is 7. So I have 7 plus x plus 6 root of x minus 2. Now, the next thing we need to do again is to collect like terms the more, okay? So that I will have the one with root on just one side. So I'm going to have 4x plus 1. I'm picking these two, okay, to cross over, which is going to be minus 7 minus x, okay, is equals to 6 root of x minus 2. Now, 4x minus x, I'm going to have 3x. Then plus 1 minus 7, I have minus 6, is going to be equals to 6. The root of x minus 2. Okay. Now, I can divide all through by 2 just to reduce the question to its simplest form. I will divide through by 3. Dividing through by 3, I'm going to have 2x minus, sorry, not 2x. I'm going to have just x. Okay, so take note, please. This is x minus 2 is equals to, I'm going to have 2 into root of x minus 2. But if you check it, you find out that I still have root. What will I do with this root? I will square both sides the second time. So this is going to be x minus 2 all squared is equals to 2 root of x minus 2 all squared. Okay, this one is squared. I'm going to have x squared minus 4x, then plus 4 is equals to, this is going to be 4 into x minus 2. Okay, this x squared minus 4x plus 4 is equals to 4x minus 8. Then I'm going to rearrange it to look like a quadratic equation so that I can solve quadratically. So this is x squared minus 4x plus 4 minus 4x plus 8 is equals to 0. So I have x squared minus 4x is minus 8x. Then 4 plus 8 is plus 12 is equals to 0. Remember how to solve your quadratic equation. I want to believe you've watched my videos before, so you know what to do. So this, when you multiply, is going to give you plus 12x squared. So two factors of 12x squared that will add up to be minus 8. The factors are factors will be minus 6x and minus 2x. So we will now replace it, and we are going to have x squared minus 6x minus 2x plus 12 is equals to 0. So factorizing, this is x into x minus 6. Okay, we close the bracket, minus what we are going to bring here is 2, so that we are going to have x minus 6 is equals to 0. So this is going to be x minus 6 into x minus 2 is equals to 0. So the first case is x minus 6 is equals to 0, which implies that x is equals to 6. Then x minus 2 is equals to 0, which implies that x is equals to 2. So I've solved this equation involving surds. Is actually very simple and straightforward. Okay, so keep watching. Do not forget to subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you.